What is going on, my party people? We are back up in this thing. Mr. KL4, Mr. Emoneyshoes, all of that good stuff. I'm hitting y'all up with a 2-for-1. This is going to be a real quick video. This is an early cop for those of you who might be on the fence, right? I think this shoe comes out on the 21st or 22nd. I was on the fence about this shoe, but I decided to go ahead and cop it. And I am glad I did. As you already know, it might be a dead giveaway for those of you who always follow, because y'all know I like to collect fours. Fours probably is pretty much my entire collection. So if you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, sitting on the fence, just ring that little bell. I try to upload different stuff, let you know different things out there. I don't want anyone to feel pressure to cop any of these shoes. I'm just letting y'all know what's out there and what to look for. Details, steals, and deals, all of that good stuff. Now, like I said, you're looking at the box. This might be a dead giveaway because normally they give the ladies the white box, so this is a ladies exclusive. But if you can wear up to like a 10.5, 11, and men's, you are good. So lucky me, I'm right on the edge. As you can see, got a green sticker right here. I caught these joints from GOAT. 9.5 PP personal pair, 11 in women's, 9.5 men. And as you can see, you got a QR code right there. You see that color CW7183-100. That's the style code number. Then you have your RF code. You have your 4D scanner, and the suggested retail price is $200. Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Special Edition Sale Black Starfish. So I want to call it this shattered backboard, so we're just gonna call it Starfish and let it live. As you can see, you got that right there. You got your 23 paper, all of that stuff in there like so. And we got one shoe. I got them from GOAT. You can see you got your verification card there. Everything is checked out on the shoe. And bam! Just let it live, just let it live. Just let it live. This is a very, very dope shoe in hand. I'm still not quite sure of the extra $10 price hike, but it is a dope shoe nonetheless. A Tinker Hatfield shoe, and Jordan Brand, like I said, a female exclusive, but it's not kind of to the point like those Hot Punch 4s where I can't pull it off, right? So on these, probably be dope mostly for people for Halloween, right? Underneath the bottom right, of course, you already have the pop-out stars on the 4, herringbone traction with the sail and the gray hits, and you got your little bit of white, so you got to worry about a little bit of dirty and getting on your first wear. You got your black Jumpman right there. Now this material, it kind of remind me, I think, on the females when I think it was one of those Fearless, if I ain't mistaken, right? But I like the way they did the cuts on these, where you can see the lining of the shoes, right? You got the orange hits, you see the Starfish. The netting is really good and not that cheesy netting. I don't see anything being clipped on here. Then you're going to your waffles with your lacing, all of that stuff. And then you have your Flight Jumpman patch here. And I love what they did with this foam. You can see the cut. So I guess they're doing that with the tongue on the shoes now. And as you can see too, around the sock line, you can see it's coming on into the lacing system as well. Come around on the side, pretty much good. As you see on the paint, nothing outlandish like you may have seen on the Fiery Ford. I know a lot of people had the hate it or love it on this. Of course, you got your air unit. You can see a sail inside as well. Coming around on the back, on the booty, no Nike Air. You just got your regular Jumpman with your waffles. Nothing behind the waffle on the thing. I hate this part of here because y'all already know, if you don't wear the right socks, that sucker gonna dig into the back of your heel and you're gonna be pissed. So other than that, you got your foam right here. Coming around on the medial side, pretty much the same thing. So just a real quick overview on the Little Lit meter. I would give this about a 4.8 out of 5. 4.8 out of 5. Y'all let me know what you think. This is a quick overview. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.